My name is Brittany Lukowski, and we're here in Austin with Hill Country Pierogi. We came to Austin to make pierogi because I grew up eating pierogi in Pennsylvania with my Polish grandma. We used to make pierogi every year for Christmas. And making pierogi takes me back to my grandmother's table, just spending hours rolling dough and making mashed potatoes and filling pierogi. And then it was a big Christmas holiday tradition to sit around the table and saute pierogi as a family, and everybody got to eat what we spent hours and hours making. We came here to Texas to do pierogi because we just thought that Austin needed to have some great Polish comfort food. We're doing traditional style pierogi, and we also do our pierogi deep fried Texas style so that you can pick them up with your fingers and they make great dipping food. When we started our business, we wanted to make sure that we were sourcing as many local Austin and Texas products as we could. So we put a lot of effort into finding local businesses and local companies that make products that we could use in our ingredients. One of the companies that we love to work with is Smoky Denmark. They're a sausage maker down on 5th Avenue. So we're really happy with the fact that we've been able to keep things local here in Austin and also bring in a brand new food for everybody to try.